Now that we've gotten the program to successfully flash one LED, what we want to do is adjust it so that it will flash 4 LEDs. Now you can either create a brand new project, as I've done here, called it Flash 4, or you could just modify the existing program so that it would show the new instructions. Here you can see that in setup now, we're going to set all 4 pins to be output mode. We're using pins 6, 7, 8, and 9, and each one of those 4 is being set to be an output. Down here inside of loop, I'm going to write a high, or 5 volts, to all 4 of them. Notice you have to do 1 on each line, which is kind of a hassle, but that's just the way that it is. And then we're going to delay for a second. Then we're going to write a low to all 4 of them. And then we're going to delay for another second. Now what this program will do, as we're going to see in just a little bit, is it will turn all 4 LEDs on, wait for a second, turn all 4 LEDs off, wait for a second, and so forth. Remembering that this block of code called loop is going to always execute over and over and over again until you reset the microcontroller. Now, if you wanted to do something fancier than this, you don't necessarily have to just turn all 4 of them on at the same time. You could turn some of them on high, some of them on low. Down here, you could turn some of them on low, some of them on high. And by the way, don't forget that you can do more than just 2 of these. You can copy this and then you can paste it, so I can do multiple of these configurations. So I can have several consecutive highs and lows. I can write lots of different patterns, but for right now, our purpose is really just to turn on all 4 of them and then turn all 4 of them off, and repeat that pattern for as long as the microcontroller is turned on. And now that you've written the new program Flash 4, and I've reconnected the wires here so that now the 4 LEDs are connected through 4 resistors to ground, and they have 4 connections being made up to the Arduino board, and those are going to pins 6, 7, 8, and 9. Still have to have the white wire over here to connect the ground. Now I'm going to go ahead and verify the Flash 4 code, and then I'm going to upload Flash 4. You can see the flashing lights here are indicating that we're getting some transmission, and then all 4 of the lights are correctly flashing.